Are you looking to build a new gaming PC that delivers solid performance without draining your bank account? Then make sure to stick around until the end. In this video, I'll show you a well-balanced build with high quality components that work perfectly together. This card breathes new life into the mid-range segment. Thanks to the new GDDR7 technology and the efficient WINDFORCE 2X cooling system, it stays cool and quiet even under load. Perfect if you want a silent build. Compared to the RTX 4060, it offers not only more memory bandwidth, but also better power efficiency and modern connectivity like DisplayPort 2.1. If you're looking for a GPU that's perfect for 1080p or even 1440p gaming, this is a true value for money winner. As always, you'll find the product links down below in the description. The Ryzen 7 5800X is a real all-rounder, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Its strong single-core performance makes it ideal for gaming, and with 8 cores, it handles heavy tasks with ease. Want to see more carefully planned PC builds like this? Then hit that subscribe button. This channel is packed with pro tips. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This board has everything you need for a modern system. The standout feature, 2 M.2 slots, one with PCIe 4 for lending fast SSD storage. It offers solid power delivery and, with the right BIOS update, works flawlessly with the Ryzen 5800X. RAM is your PC's short-term memory, and with this 16GB dual-channel kit, your system will run nice and smooth. 3200MHz is an ideal match for Ryzen CPUs and ensures fast loading times and smooth gameplay and multitasking. The Samsung 990 Pro gives you tons of space for your game library, and it's one of the fastest SSDs on the market. Whether you're booting Windows or launching a big game, everything loads in seconds here. This CPU cooler is a hidden gem for quiet systems. It stays whisper quiet even under full load and takes up very little space, perfect for compact, high-performance builds. This PSU delivers reliable power to your system with enough headroom for future upgrades. The Bronze certification means solid efficiency without breaking the bank. The Lian O11 Vision Compact combines stylish design with smart airflow. It offers enough space for modern components and showcases your build beautifully with its tempered glass panel, a true eye-catcher for any desk setup. All components in this setup are perfectly matched for smooth gaming, strong performance, and great upgrade potential. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more pro build PC setups. See you in the next one.